Namaste, this is the class of pharmaceutical analysis and today's topic is solution for non-aqueous titration. A protic solution. A protic solution include those substances which may be considered chemical neutral and virtually unrelative under the conditional employed. Carbon tetrachloride and toluene come in this group. They possess low dielectric constant, do not cause ionization in solute, and do not undergo reaction with acid and base. Aprotic solutions are frequently used to dilute reaction mixture. Second is protophilic solution. Protophilic solvent are the substance that possess a high affinity for the proton. The overreaction you can see here. This is the overall reaction. The equilibrium in this reversible reaction will be generally influenced by the nature of the acid and the solvent. Weak acid are normally used in the presence of strongly prophylite solvent as their acidic strength are then enhanced and then become comparable to these of strong acids. This is known as leveling effect. Progenic solution. Progenic solvent are acidic in nature and readily donate proton. Anhydrous acids such as hydrogen fluoride and sulfuric acid fall in the category because of their strength and ability to donate proton. They enhance the strength of weak base. Amphiprotic solvent. Amphiprotic solvent consist of liquids such as water, alcohol, and weak organic acid, which are slightly ionized and combine both progenetic and prophilic property in being able to donate proton and accept proton. Ethanoic acid display acidic property in dissociating to produce proton. So you can see here the reaction, but in the presence of perchloric acid, a far strong acid, it will accept proton. So leveling solution in general, strongly prophyllic solvent are important to force equilibrium equation to the right. This effect is so powerful that is strongly prophyllic solvent. All acid act as of similar strength. The converse occur with strongly protogenic solvent, which cause all base to act as they were of similar strength. Solvent which act in this way are known as leveling solvent. Leveling of effect of solvent referred to the effect of solvent on the properties of acid and the base. The strength of a strong acid is limited by the basicity of the solvent. Similarly, the strength of a strong base is labeled by acidity of the solvent. When the strong acid is dissolved in the water, it reacts with it to form. So you can see here and check different solvent. Hope you will like the video. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.